Do this and I guarantee that you will feel so much lighter and brighter in yourself. All you have to do is follow along with me. So get ready to move. This is a little bit of Kundalini Yoga and meditation with me, Kiran Jot.
Here we go. So it's a good 10 minutes. And you need to use your imagination. The act of swimming this movement here is super good at opening up all the energy of the heart and getting the prana through the heart properly. But what we do with this particular meditation is there's a visualization. There's a story with it. Like we've been dropped in the middle of the ocean. Yeah? And we have to find our way back to shore using our intuition as a compass. And you know, the ocean represents our emotions. Water represents our emotional world. And I know for those of you, I've taught this before, and people can't swim or they have a great big fear of water. You have artistic license. Yeah, you're a dolphin, okay, or you're a seal, or you're a penguin. You're an amazing swimmer. You're going to cut through these waves, yeah. And sometimes they're going to be big and choppy, and the wind is going to be blowing, and it's going to be chaos. Yeah, create it in your mind. But you yourself are like an Olympic swimmer. Okay, you're going to make it through. So we're going to do this particular motion here. So it's very, very important that you're sitting comfortably. Y'all ready? Let's go. So first off, can you feel the sense of water, yeah, over your skin? super good. Yeah. You're going to make it. But keep checking in with your third eye, yeah? Which direction are you heading in? Keep swimming. Sometimes those waves, that weight of water feels really heavy, and then sometimes you feel like you're flying over the top of it. Yeah, keep your eyes on the prize. You start to see the shadows of the headlands. Check in with where you're going. Breathe that a little bit deeper. Even if you're swimming really slowly, try and keep moving. Use your grit, use your determination, like dig your way through the water. Last little bit. Seconds, go. Swim for your life. You're going to make it. Reach for the shore. Good. And come and bring your third eye to the floor in a baby pose. And if baby pose isn't comfortable for you, then come and lie on your front. But I want you to deeply connect to the ground, to earth beneath us. Bring your hands behind you if you can. This pose helps regulate your hormones. Breathe long and slow and deep. And see if you can conjure up as much gratitude as possible for being alive in the here and now. There's an awful lot to be scared of, to be freaked out about, to feel broken and heartbroken over. But there is also an incredible amount of good in the world.
Yay! You did it, well done! Now before you scroll on, please place your hands over your heart, close your eyes and take a deep breath into that sweet spot within you. Take a mental picture of it, because the more you're aware of it, the easier it is to access. And of course, if you want to do more, yoga and meditation with me, then all the links are below for you to join my live classes. It really is that easy. Take good care of yourselves. Sat Nam.